Trying to impress your dream girl but not sure how? Don't worry anymore. Here are 10 tips to win her heart. Tip 1. Body language. Your body speaks volumes before you even say a word. Stand up straight, shoulders back, and flash her a genuine smile. Maintain eye contact but not too intensely, and avoid crossing your arms, which can signal defensiveness. Leaning in slightly when she speaks demonstrates attentiveness and interest, setting the stage for a meaningful connection. Tip 2. Active listening. Listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding and empathizing. Show her you're truly engaged by nodding in agreement, maintaining eye contact, and occasionally repeating back what she's said. This not only validates her feelings, but also deepens the bond between you. Tip 3. Respect and empathy. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Give her space to express herself without interruptions and demonstrate empathy by acknowledging her feelings. If she seems upset, offer your support and ask how you can help. Showing her that you value her thoughts and emotions builds trust and strengthens your connection. Tip 4. Surprise gestures. Who doesn't love a pleasant surprise? Inject spontaneity into your relationship by occasionally surprising her with thoughtful gestures. It could be as simple as bringing her favorite snack or sending a heartfelt message out of the blue. These unexpected acts of kindness show her that she's always on your mind. Tip 5. Understanding her love language. Everyone has their own unique way of feeling loved and appreciated. Pay attention to what makes her smile and tailor your gestures accordingly. Does she thrive on compliments, or does she value quality time together? Understanding her love language allows you to connect with her on a deeper level, making your efforts more meaningful. Tip 6. Creativity in gifts and gestures. Break away from conventional gifts and unleash your creativity. Instead of opting for generic presents, consider planning a movie night featuring her favorite films or cooking her a delicious homemade meal. These personalized gestures demonstrate thoughtfulness and effort, making her feel truly cherished. Tip 7. Building emotional connection. Emotional intimacy forms the cornerstone of a strong relationship. Share your innermost thoughts and feelings with her and be receptive to hers in return. Engage in deep, meaningful conversations that foster understanding and connection. By opening up to each other, you'll cultivate a bond that transcends superficiality. Tip 8. Cultural sensitivity. Respect and appreciate her cultural background. Take an interest in learning about her customs, traditions, and values. Participate in cultural celebrations and holidays together, demonstrating your respect for her heritage. Embracing diversity strengthens the fabric of your relationship and fosters mutual understanding. Tip 9. Long-term relationship dynamics. Look beyond the present and envision a future together. Discuss your aspirations, goals, and dreams as a couple. Planning for the long term shows her that you're committed to building a lasting relationship filled with shared experiences and milestones. Tip 10. Overcoming shyness and nervousness. It's natural to feel nervous when expressing your feelings, but don't let shyness hold you back. Take a deep breath, summon your courage, and speak from the heart. With practice and patience, you'll gain confidence in articulating your emotions and showing her just how much she means to you. Armed with these 10 tips, you're well equipped to impress the girl of your dreams and embark on a journey of love and companionship. Best of luck! If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together we can spread positivity and empowerment to help everyone thrive. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep thriving.